Welcome to my channel Break the Snow. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos. What is hair rinsing? Hair rinsing is the last step during hair wash. First we shampoo and clean it away, followed by conditioner and clean it away. Now we apply the hair rinse. Leave the hair rinse on for some time and wash it away. Hair rinses have several benefits like increased hair growth, better hair health, more manageable hair, soft and silky hair, and so on. In this video, we are going to see top 3 hair rinses. Number 1. Rice water hair rinse. For this you need 1 cup of brown rice, 3 to 4 cups of water. Add a cup of brown rice to a jar. Add 3 to 4 cups of water. Mix it well and let it sit for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the rice water is ready for application. Pour just the water into a jug. Take the rice water into a spray bottle as shown. Spray it on the hair thoroughly. Leave it on for 10 minutes and wash it away. Rice water is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Application of rice water can help in the hair growth. Next we have apple cider vinegar hair rinse. Take organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. The mother is actually good bacteria and has several health benefits. To see the mother, shake the bottle and notice the liquid gets cloudy. The cloudy sediments is what is called the mother. Take 4 cups of water in a measuring jar. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into 4 cups of water. Take this into a spray bottle so that it is easy to use. After shampooing, spray this apple cider vinegar on the hair thoroughly. Leave it on for 10 minutes and wash it off with fresh water. Apple cider vinegar rinse helps in maintaining pH balance of the hair. This contributes to hair growth, improved hair health, and soft silky hair. Next we have green tea hair rinse. For this you need a cup of hot water. Add 2 green tea bags to the hot water. After 5 minutes, you have green tea ready. Wait for it to cool down. Then take the green tea into a spray bottle as shown. After shampooing, spray this apple cider vinegar on the hair thoroughly. Leave it on for 10 minutes and wash it off with fresh water. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and it reduces topical DHT. Hence, it helps in stronger hair growth. Try these 3 hair rinses for improved hair growth, hair density, and for a soft, silky hair. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.